everyone, this is me, Maha, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. I hope you all are doing good and are in great spirits. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss book exercise for Unit 4, जिसका नाम है First Aid. So let's start our book exercise. First, we are going to discuss internal questions. First internal question is, what is the importance of knowledge of first aid in crisis management? Answer: first aid is the temporary and the immediate help which comprises of simple medical techniques. It is the timely assistance which is needed on emergency basis when one is injured or suddenly ill. The importance of first aid is that such kind of assistance is most critical to the victim and is often life-saving. So there is only one internal question in this unit.